Oh, my ears. Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Solemann. I'm the chef and co-owner of Moonrise, and this is Acquired Taste. Thank you so much. Okay. I don't know what to expect. I feel like I'm gonna make a mess. This tastes like an Asian-inspired garlicky carbonara with like a lot of honey or sugar. I'll have more. I'll probably finish this bowl. It's very, well, I don't know how to say it. Like it's very stuck together. It's very dense. Something very different, and I have an idea, and I'll show you. All right, guys. So me and my very funny-looking apron are gonna be preparing a noodle recipe, which I think is like way better than the one I just had. I think anything is way better than the one I just had. Sorry. This one is not gonna be like a very sweet, clumpy noodle recipe, but it's so it's made using 2 different types of noodles, which I'll get into later. These are all the ingredients, so it's like very cheap, very easy to make, like no hassle. We're gonna be making a kimchi. A spicy kimchi noodles with some za'atar, which actually za'atar works really well with a lot of Korean and Japanese ingredients. First thing is, of course, get everything out of the packet. This is the main reason that we're using Indomie noodles. And then we have the buldak, which we'll be using pretty much everything in this packet. You can see the reason I like it is how thick these noodles are. These are so thick, so they give the most amazing snappy texture. And I intentionally undercook them because they have a very nice snappy texture, like I just said. So I'm gonna cook these noodles for on boiling or like simmering for I guess 1 minute. I'm intentionally gonna undercook it because I specifically hate clumpy overcooked noodles. Might take a second for it. There you go. Do not put salt. This is not pasta. While this is boiling, bring this pan to the heat. Add a lot of oil. Like a lot of oil. Like whatever you think is enough, add double. Don't get rid of the water because we would be using the starchy water to kind of like what's it called? What was I saying? Oil? Yeah, to like make the sauce. Look at what I just did. I literally softened them. Like that's all I'm gonna do because they're anyways gonna continue cooking. And anyways, who likes clumpy noodles, right? So I'm done with this now. I'm gonna swap. I'll cook here so I don't move. And my Indomie seasoning, which I'm just gonna unpack here, is like MSG chicken seasoning. I don't know what spices. I don't know what's in it. I don't care what's in it. It tastes amazing. And I'm also gonna throw this oil that you're supposed to put on top of the noodles into the recipe. It's also gonna be an indicator when everything is hot and ready to use. I'm gonna add my chili flakes in. If you want it to be a bit spicier, which in this case I want, I'm gonna add this chili powder bit inside. I add like 1.5, 2 cloves of garlic, which is what I just threw in. And don't cook it at a very high heat because you don't want the garlic to start burning and taste weird. So you're basically making a chili oil. When the garlic is starting to like smell different, like you can see and smell the color change, add your Indomie MSG situation. And it's gonna start sticking to the bottom. That's completely fine. The important thing is do not let the garlic overcook because it's gonna taste bitter and it's gonna taste weird. That's why I lowered the heat. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna take my noodles, throw them in with a bit of the water, and add a bit of this in here. Increase my heat. So I'm gonna add most of it, but not all of it. And then I'm gonna add kimchi. The kimchi is as much or as little as you want. You do not want to add salt to this because there's so much salt from the kimchi, from the MSG, from this spice seasoning, which is supposed to not be stir fried. It's supposed to be mixed in. So definitely don't add any salt in here or soy sauce in here. Okay, that's it. We're good. Take your noodles with your kimchi. Add a bit of truffle oil. Then you add your za'atar. You can go heavy on the za'atar for sure. A bit of this sesame infused QP. I just got this because I got it, but you can literally use anything. It doesn't really matter. Any QP will do the job, but I think this tastes great. I just like it personally. Then you just add a bit of this for some texture. And there you go. That's it. And again, this shouldn't look like the most beautiful thing ever. This is like messy stir-fried Korean slash Indomie noodles, and it's just supposed to taste amazing and look like you really want to eat it, and that's it. That's all that matters. So that's it, guys. Go for it.